Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and there will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue.
Alright, so here's the OneWorld 65 watt GaN adapter by OneAdaptr. It's a gallium nitride technology, 65 watts, the maximum power delivery, the charging station. And that's for the USB Type-C, of course. And as it says, it works with more than 200 countries. Overcurrent protection, USB power delivery, and quick charge 3.0. 6 devices can be used with this device. At the back, you have some specifications, namely the model BA165M, 100 to 250 volt AC. 2400 max, that's the AC output, or 2.5 kilowatts is the max output. 10 amps supported, so the 10 amp isolator or the fuse, 10 amp fuse is what it has in there. And then the USB-C outputs and all that jazz. 65 watts total DC output and 190 grams. Okay, so nothing much other than that. Designed in Canada and assembled in China. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Oops. That should now come off. Right. And before I damage this box, and I have already damaged this box. Very good, lucky me. Awesome, me with handling these difficult boxes. Oh my days, that's the problem. It's been stuck on these sides too. What I've done is I have definitely damaged this box in the worst possible way. Okay, so a brown box within which you have the travel adapter, a case, and the user guide, user manual, OneWorld 65 watts. Replacement of the fuse, so you can replace the fuse 10 amp ones that you can get access to, and you can swap those if you need to. And then you get product overview, specifications, the stuff that we've seen on the box, and then applicable outlets, compatible countries, 2-pole unearthed devices, how to use the adapter, and all that fun stuff on the user guide. And a few certifications as well, CEFC RHS certification. There should be UKCA as well. If not, then it should still be compatible with the UK electrical system. Before we look at the adapter, we should look at the case or the travel pouch that goes in there. And the pouch can be rolled up and it's ready to take along. It's nice, it's a bit heavy, but it's nice, like it goes flat on, there's no plugs, anything at all, which is a pretty interesting ergonomic design. So here's your travel adapter, which looks pretty nice. So just push, yeah, that's, oh right, so it's all mentioned over here. So UK, if you look at that, UK comes out as you need, and press and goes back. Press and bring it on. So US, Australia, you see here. So press and push, that's on. Press and push back, gone. UK, press and push, doesn't go anywhere unless you've pushed, of course, this thing. And yes, stays nice and flat. And then there is the EU. So your EU plug comes out. This is interesting. And look at that. This first comes on, and you put this back inside. It goes back in. Interesting. Max 10 amps, 2.5 kilowatts, round wire. And then there is the female side of things. There's also 2 USB-A's, USB-C 2 and C3, and C1 is over here. So 3 USB-C ports, and then there's something that says you can also swap. Spare fuse is the main fuse. How do you access this? It probably requires a screwdriver to take these things out and just swap the spare fuse in there. It's good that they have a spare fuse, so if, let's say, if the fuse is blown, then you at least have the spare in that instance before you arrange other replacements and things. That's interesting. You also have the OneAdaptr. That's the brand logo on at the bottom. This one. And then there's the CFC representation and stuff mentioned on the side. And if you click on that, does that turn? Oh, I see. Look, this turns just to make it Australia. And then for Japan, turn in this direction. Oh, who would have known this? Keep it straight. And that's the US. Yeah. USA, Japan is straight. Australia is, oh, this is Australia. Yeah, you have these notations right there that are self-explanatory, and then keep them straight. It's the US. Push it back, and that is gone inside. It's nothing like that with the US and the UK, of course, but it's very nice, sturdy, stable. Don't see any problems with this moving unless you just press this button there. When you press this button, you get a little push at the back, it goes back automatically. Yeah, interesting. And over here I have some specifications mentioned. Total DC output 65 watts, one adapter, and then the gallium nitride stuff is for this bit here to give you that kind of power with the USB ports. Yeah, it looks pretty nice and slick. That's the OneAdaptr. OneAdaptr is OneWorld 65 watt travel adapter. You get the pouch to carry along, and it goes nice and flat, so it doesn't, wobble, and it's a very small form factor as well. Very discreet too. That's your OneAdaptr's travel adapter. If you've got any questions or queries, please let us know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.